Hi Planner Bestie, this is the unboxing of the Self-Care is Not Selfish by Kell Plans. Okay, this is the pen that came in the box. I'm going to test it out to see how it writes. So it looks like it's a ballpoint pen. So this is a transparent sticky note that I'm writing on, and it writes okay. So this is a sticker that says self-care is not selfish, and this is absolutely perfect because my word of the year, my one little word, is self-care for 2024. So a welcome card. I didn't go to Go Wild, but she did offer extra boxes that she had left afterwards. So I purchased one. So let's look at the stickers that came inside this box. So I really like the stickers. I love the quotes and everything. And May is Mental Health Month, so this is absolutely perfect. So she has monthly boxes, smaller boxes, checklists, and everything, and dots in different colors to match her color scheme for the self-care box. Okay, she provided numbers and months as well. Okay, and here's some more functional boxes. I really like this monthly mood tracker sticker. This is really nice. Hopefully she offered these in her shop in a full sticker book. I really like that. So now let's look at the planner. It has these cute mini black planner discs. They are too cute. But great thing about Discbound, if you want to expand it, you can always add larger discs. That's one reason why I love Discbound, because your planner can grow with you. So let's check out the sections. The divider is cute. Okay, we have a monthly, and it starts with Sunday. Okay, so we have a weekly self-care tracker, a daily self-care journal. I really like this. And this planner is for 3 months. I'm so glad I got this box. It's something that I actually need and that I will actually utilize. So I really like this and I do recommend it. And if she has any extras, I think you should get this. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.